Now that you have created an account on Energer, it is easy to get started with a new project in a few simple steps. From the account dashboard page, select the Add a New Project button. You can also do the same from the My Projects section. Do note that the number of projects you can create depends on your subscription type and are listed on your account dashboard. Start off with providing a name and entering a brief description of your project. And don't worry, you can always update any of these settings later. Next, enter the start date for your project. Remember, you can set this to a past date or even an upcoming date. Energer will use this date as the basis for projected completion date calculations for your tasks. All the remaining settings can be left as default. You can simply scroll to the bottom of the page and create your new project. But let us quickly go through each of these so you are familiar with what they do. The project color helps differentiate the project in your My Projects section. You can pick a different color by clicking on the color selector. Next up is the duration settings for project simulations such as buffer calculations, buffered end date calculations, or Monte Carlo simulations. While we can enter the best case, most likely case, and the worst case durations for each tasks, this setting is used if some of those durations are left blank on the network editor. The fever chart settings apply to how the fever chart range is appear on the chart. These settings control the green, yellow, and red zones that are displayed. Energer offers multiple probability distribution curves for your Monte Carlo simulation. Watch the Monte Carlo tutorial for an in-depth overview of what these are and how to use them for your specific project needs. Histogram bins lets you select how many date range buckets should be used to plot the output, while the number of simulations tells us how many iterations we should run for this project. And lastly, with our curated color schemes, Gantt charts look awesome. If you'd like, you can always change them to align them with your organization's brand colors. Just click on them to change the colors, and you can even use the eyedropper feature to pick out a color from other sources. And that's it. Just click on the Create a New Project button, and you are all done. Watch our other tutorials for a comprehensive overview of all Energer has to offer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or on social media.